Here are our ingredients. So we're going to use 6 eggs, 1 chopped onion, 2 sliced tomatoes. We're going to use some yogurt to make the curry, the masala curry. We're going to use some grated garlic, 1 green pepper, then some cumin seeds, Garam Masala, curry powder. We're going to use chicken masala also. We're going to use Spanish paprika, and then some turmeric. So we're going to put our boiled eggs in a sahani. If you have a bowl, the better for you. And then I'm going to put my spices. I'm going to start with some turmeric. This is approximately half a spoon. Okay, also we're going to use some Garam Masala. Sides of the eggs have the spices. It's like we are marinating using spices now. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a pan. We are going to put our eggs now. We're going to fry the eggs first. So we're going to fry our eggs for about 2 minutes. We used 250 ml of mala. So I'm going to add my spices over here to form the. So in our mala we're going to add our spices. Now we're going to form our the curry now it is. So I'm going to add some bit of curry powder. A quarter tablespoon will be okay. You're going to add a quarter tablespoon of turmeric. I'm going to add some Garam Masala. Now we're going to mix this. That is our curry now. Your yogurt, rather your mala. So don't worry about that. I'm going to use the oil I used to fry my eggs, as in to fry the boiled eggs, that is, and then add my diced onions. Then I'm going to stir. You can choose to add some more. Once my onions turn translucent, I'm going to add my grated garlic and my green pepper. So once my onions start to turn golden brown, I'm going to add my tomatoes. It's better to start this. You can also use your tomato paste if you have any. For me, I didn't have any, so I prefer to use some tomatoes. Before I cover, I'm going to add some Spanish paprika, half tablespoon. This is just to add the coloring, the red coloring mostly, and also add the flavor. Now, our mala, that is this now. Because this is our curry now. Then let it cook for 2 minutes so that you cook the spices now. So now we're going to add our salt to taste. So I'm going to cut these eggs just the side so that it cooks inside. It's a bit. After we've cooked this curry for some few minutes, we're going to add now our eggs. 3 minutes. I like to add some grains on my every curry, like every meal. So I'm going to garnish this with some coriander. Just a few leaves. So I curry, you can serve it with rice, you can serve it with garlic, you can serve it with anything that you want. So serve while hot, guys.